Honda's Capless fuel filler is a convenient feature that allows for quick, convenient fill-ups and prevents leaving the fuel neck open or the fuel cap behind. Start by opening the fuel filler door. On the model shown, this is done by pressing inwards on the fuel filler door. Insert the fuel pump nozzle all the way into the fill neck and start pumping. When done filling, wait about 5 seconds to allow any remaining gas to drain. Lift the fuel pump nozzle up and out, then close the fuel filler door. Inserting anything other than a standard gas station fuel pump nozzle directly into the capless fuel filler may damage it. However, if a standard pump nozzle is not available, such as when using a portable fuel container, a special funnel can be used. On this model, the funnel is located under the trunk floor. Insert the narrow end of the funnel all the way into the filler neck. Pour fuel from the fuel container into the funnel, being careful not to overfill. When you are finished, carefully clean any fuel off the funnel with a cloth before storing. To learn more about the features offered on your Honda, visit hondahelp.ca.